APR Bright Industries, a leading force in EOT crane manufacturing and services. For several years, APR Bright Industries has solidified its reputation as a premier manufacturer, supplier, and exporter of electric overhead traveling (EOT) cranes. Catering to a diverse range of industrial needs, the company offers a comprehensive portfolio of lifting solutions, from manual and semi-automatic to fully automatic EOT cranes. Distinguished by their versatility, APR Bright Industries provides both single girder and double girder cranes, engineered to meet specific capacity requirements up to 100 tons. Beyond new crane solutions, the company is also a trusted partner for comprehensive after-sales support, including expert repair services, system upgrades, and annual maintenance contracts, AMCs, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of material handling equipment across various industries. Contact for customized solutions.